Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can play music out loud on your Apple Watch. This is achieved by using an app called WatchTube, which is basically YouTube on your wrist. So if I just head to the App Store and search for the app here, you can see WatchTube. If we just look at the compatibility, we can see it requires Watch OS 8 or later. So that's basically Apple Watch Series 3 and later only. So if you quickly just download it, and that will go directly to your Apple Watch itself. Or alternatively, we can download directly from the Apple Watch. It's just a matter of going to the App Store on the watch, searching for it there, and downloading. So once you have the app on your watch, when you first boot it up, it'll ask you to select region, Great Britain in this case. Then it just gives you a little splash screen about supporting the app, and you basically have YouTube on your Apple Watch now. So there's different pages where you can search your library and then settings right at the end. Here you can adjust caption sizes amongst other things without clearing your search history. But in this case, I'm just going to show you an example of a music video. So I've just put in some generic pop music video here. It just takes a few seconds to load. But you can go straight into any video, and then you have a bunch of different options when you're in the video. So if you go to settings, you can see information on the video itself, which will be the description and stuff. And you could just hit play here. And it'll start playing music. You can use the crown to adjust the volume. And even if you leave the app, the video will keep playing in the background. So I'm just going to search my channel here just to show you another example of playing some videos. You can see it comes up with the channel itself, and then all the videos that I have on my channel. I'll just play this one here, speed test.
So in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick speed test between the Apple Watch Series 7 and the Apple Watch Series 2. So I'm just going to run a bunch of apps, just see the load times and how.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.